Welcome to my channel. I'm here to introduce another exciting educational course. This course is perfect for beginners, small business owners, and digital marketers. You'll learn how to build and customize a smart chatbot without any coding skills. By leveraging AI, you can enhance customer experience and boost efficiency. This course has over 10,000 students and holds a rating of 4.2, making it highly successful and practical. The current price is around €20. By purchasing this course, you will have full access to it and receive all future updates. The total duration of the course is 5 hours, and upon completion, you will receive a certificate. Here's what you will learn. What AI chatbots are. How to set up your chatbot and get it ready in under 5 minutes. How to refine your chatbot's responses. How to tune your chatbot according to your needs. How to customize your launch chat bubble. How to sell your chatbot. Now, I want to offer you this amazing course completely free and legally. To see how this works, first, subscribe to my channel and add this video to your watch list. Now, open your browser and search for discountedcourseninja.com on Google. From the search results, click on the correct link and make sure the address matches discountedcourseninja.com. After clicking the link, you will be directed to the website's main page. On this platform, you can access various course discount coupons. Use the search bar to find your desired course. You can also search through categories to find the topic that interests you. Once you find our featured course, scroll down and click on the Get the Coupon button. Your free access to the course is now available, but remember that the coupon has a time limit. Now, with just a few clicks, you have legal and free access to this amazing course. If this video was helpful, like and subscribe, and share it with your friends.